Look here, doggy. Dog. Come here, Coney. She lives for the snow. Look at her. Hey, okay, hip hop. Come on now. It's cold out here. I got no jacket on. Coney got a coat. She got this. Oh yes, it's snowing a little bit out here, but before we call it a day, we got to do our annual pilgrimage in chugging in the snow.
Don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs.
Welcome to your boy Badlands Chugs, and oh my goodness, yo, every time it snows a decent amount here, we do a chug. It's usually Diet Dr. Pepper, but I said today, let's give Coke Zero a try. Oh my goodness, Coke Zero is my favorite joint. I love this soda so much. And everybody knows about Coke Zero. So there's no introduction, no description, no need to get into it. But yo, we are not doing one. Oh no, we are doing two, okay? Double barrel business, woo, with the big ones, okay? So yo, be safe out here in this blizzard of 2026. The ice age of 2026 still goes on, but yo, we are still chugging. So let's get this on. 3, 2, 1, enough talk. Wish me luck. A lot of carbonation in these bad boys. But yo, no chugs left undone. You know the deal, so let's finish. And that's all she wrote. So for Badlands Chugs, we did our chug for the year. And yo, it's time to go back in the house. Stay warm, stay safe, and stay burpy.
Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.
Touch that mouse, folks. It's your boy Badlands Chugs, and I am on Cameo, okay? You need a personalized shout out, maybe a happy birthday, maybe a happy anniversary, congratulations on the new job, the wedding, anything at all. And do you need it with a chug of your choice? You let me know what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. 24-hour delivery is available, and if you want me to promote your business, book your boy. Cheers.